Hello everyone, it's Edge here for Countertrend Capital, and on today's video we're taking a look again at Bitcoin. On this video again, looking more into the local structures here. Overall we are still within this same range. We have not taken out the high, and we are still at very much of the bearish target on this medium time frame. Currently looking at 1 hour time frame. Just a reminder, the bullish idea was that we were looking at a WXY into the lows of May 1st, and since then we had a potential fire wave. However, why is this not that preferred is the extension targets. We hit the 1.236 extension of this move here with the second move, and it allows us to have also a fire wave structure already being finished with the divergences. And this was one of the reasons, based on the extension, that fits more of the bear idea. Now in this scenario, we were still having the possibility of having this as a wave 4, as it did not overlap with wave 1. Of course, even with that overlap, we could have had some kind of a diagonal, which would be the end of something, for example, an ABC structure. But regardless of that, now let's take a look at the bear scenario and then dive into the smaller time frame. Overall, again, this fits, as mentioned, better as the ABC target. And now, again, it did hit the 90%, which allows us to get to that, towards that C wave. However, at this point, if we are looking at the substructures coming down, we can be labeling this whole thing as an ABC already. Let's get rid of this so we can see the structure. So we can have labeled this as 5, 3 up, and then yet another 5 here. It's not the best proportions, but again, extension wise, it is looking decent. It didn't get to the 1.618, but again, we pivoted right before that to the upside. And now, however, we are looking like we are getting yet another ABC. The ABC, again, as mentioned, every time basically, is more of a common structure. I'm currently labeling it as an ABC of a subminute structure because again, it kind of looks a bit smaller than this one. So that is the reason. At this moment, I would be expecting us to get somewhere into this previous range and get a rejection. If we go beyond the 1.618, then we can start to talk about a potential wave 3 instead of this ABC. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If we get that 5 wave, look for a pullback and then look for a more upside move. And that is the bullish scenario. But again, until that happens, you don't need to take action. You don't need to be FOMOing into this. This was an area of interest for me, this previous volume area. And this is where I took my long for this move to the upside. I've taken no profit, but again, most likely I'm going to be getting some kind of divergence here, which is where I'm going to be taking more profits off of the table and looking for a potential rejection. Now, if that rejection is going to be hard, I'm going to be looking for a 3-way pullback again and shorting that against the new high over here. So that is the bearish option. If we get that pivot, I don't need to be knowing what the market does. I just need to know the plan, what I'm going to do if something happens. So that is the bearish idea and bullish idea for both, for Bitcoin. So again, that's very short and simple. And that's how I like to keep this short video as. If you enjoyed this, leave a like on this video. And if you're interested in joining us on our Discord group, check the description out. Also, if you want to be trading with smaller fees, check our partner exchange, BitUnix. But that's all for now again. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye-bye.